Welcome back to the channel, everyone. My name is Crypto Ghost, and as you can see, I've entered into a short position on Litecoin. So I want to show you in this video the indications on the chart that led me into this trade, so that you can also make the same trades using my trading strategy. And we'll be taking a look at the cryptocurrency markets. We'll be talking about Bitcoin, and we'll follow up on our recent price analysis on the Bitcoin charts. Now I'm using the Ghost Vision indicator for taking this trade, and to take any trade I'm always using only this system, only Ghost Vision. Now what we are looking at here was a beautiful trade setup that I saw a few hours ago, right before the market started dumping. So how did I knew that it's time to short before I was longing the market? So for that, guys, let's zoom in into the 1 hour time frame and let's focus on Ghost Vision 1. So we are now looking at the Litecoin chart. As you can see, the price here, it went down and then it failed to break back above the 1 hour trend line. Now I started seeing this bearish indication right here was my entry for this short position, and my take profits was here at the last layer of the bearish channels, and as a stop loss, this is the stop loss. So as you can see, the risk to reward on this position is amazing. So whenever you want to enter on a trade, for example on the 1 hour time frame, you go to the 4 hour time frame and then you see, okay, what's the trend, what's the recent trend, where it's headed, where is the price headed? And as you can see, it had the red dot here. So that is telling us that the price headed bearish, headed down. Okay, Ghost Vision 3 curving down, Ghost Vision 2 red dot, bearish momentum. We are right at the trend line right here. Perfect entry for a short. All right, now in addition to Ghost Vision 1, 2 and 3, we have a new addition called Ghost Vision 4 and 5 that was specifically designed for scalping. So whenever I'm already in a trade or I'm looking to scalp the market using high leverage and just be in for a few points, I'm looking at Ghost Vision 4 and 5. Now what do I see here? So Ghost Vision 5 is what we see on the screen. It's those lines. And those lines, similarly to Ghost Vision 1, they act as support lines and resistance lines. So when I was taking the trade, I am seeing that this whole price action right here on the 5 minute, this whole price action, we are struggling to get above these resistance lines. In other words, there is no strength in the market. And when there is no strength in the market, what tends to happen is that we see those quick declines to the downside. Exactly what we see right here. And this is an example of how you make money with Ghost Vision, how you find a trade, how you enter into a trade, how you make money with Ghost Vision. So if you want to access Ghost Vision, you can go to our website ghostvisiontrading.com. Use the coupon code EARLYBIRD to get 40% off the monthly plan and also the yearly plan. So this offer is special for you guys, only for the new joiners. After we've reached a certain amount of people who join us, I will cancel the coupon and you will have to pay the full price if you want to join. So now is the perfect time. Go ahead, check the website, join us, start using the indicator and start making profitable trades. So let's jump over to the Bitcoin charts. So right now on the daily time frame for Bitcoin, the fair price is at almost 22,000. So because we were trading so long on these levels here, in between the last two layers of the bullish channel, we were trading so long that now the fair price has averaged to 22,000. And if you remember, I told you that whenever we start an uptrend, price tends to come down and test this level. It can happen now, or it can happen a bit later. But we've already seen a rally since the beginning of the year and haven't once, not even for one time, we haven't come down to touch the fair price, which is right now at 22,000. And I was telling you that I don't think there is power to go towards 24,000, not before we touch the middle trend line right here. The trend is changed for bearish, okay? Now in an uptrend, that only means that we can come back to verify the middle price as support and then continue higher. It doesn't mean that we'll necessarily go a lot more lower right now, because since the beginning of the year, we've established an uptrend. And since we've established this uptrend, it is time for us to come down, consolidate, verify the lower support levels, see if they hold, and from there we'll start another uptrend. Now, as you can see on Ghost Vision 2, it beautifully shows us right here, the green dot was the beginning of this whole move to the upside. Bang! Price took off 40% up from 16, 24 almost. Around 40% move to the upside. Right now, price is exhausted. So when we had this green dot, we had a spike in the price. Now we can see a red dot, a breather. There is no power to break towards 24,000. Why would you be a buyer right here? It's overpriced. Wait for us to touch this trend line and go long from there if you haven't already. So as you can see, the indicator works for every time frame. Daily, weekly, 4 hour, 1 hour, 5 minute, 1 minute. It's adjusted according to the market. And time again, you can see with your own eyes how accurate Ghost Vision shows you all the moves which are about to happen before they happen. And you don't need to tweak any settings when you go between making analysis on crypto or stocks. It's automatically adjustable and it's made in a universal way, so you don't need to play with the settings. It comes like that out of the box, works very well on every time frame. Now me, of course, I have long time that I'm looking at charts. I have long screen time. You starting out don't have that advantage yet. But what you will have if you start using the Ghost Vision indicators, you will have the best tool available for you as a trader in this market to take advantage over everyone else who doesn't use Ghost Vision because the tool is not very popular. You will be amongst the very lucky people who found this video, watched it until the end, saw how the indicator works, how powerful it is, and you will be amongst the few lucky people who get access to it. Now my view on Bitcoin is I'm still bullish based on the bigger time frame. I only think that we are due for some pullback in the price action, and from there we can gather some more momentum, some more power, validate these lower support levels at around 22,000, and from there we can continue higher. Try again to break towards 24, but this time with real power. Because I was telling you, I wasn't buying those moves we've seen to 24,000. Those moves we were seeing, when was it? I think on Friday, Thursday. I wasn't buying it. There's no way we are going to 24,000. I don't see the power. I don't see it happening. Now there will come a time when we'll start seeing some explosions in the charts. We'll start seeing some extreme bullish momentum like we saw right here. And I will see it in the indicator and I will tell you guys, no pullbacks. I see us straight shooting to the upside, no pullbacks. But right now, I don't see that happening. So I am seeing a pullback, maybe not today, maybe over the next few days. I am seeing a pullback. In fact, we are experiencing a pullback right now. Maybe we'll consolidate for a longer period of time in between 23,000 and 23,800. And as we keep consolidating in this region here, the middle price will continue to go higher and higher and higher, and then we'll just touch it like that. So the price can touch it at 23,400. So just keep that in mind. So our position now looks very good, plus 580, give or take, plus 20%. And keep in mind that I'm doing this challenge to show you how I take a small account and I grow it. So for my main account, I'm not doing much scalping anymore. I'm just holding and doing swing trades. But just to show you how you can actively, when you have time, how you can actively trade the market and easily make guys, $100 every day just by following my strategy. And of course, you have to find good trade setups like I was showing you. Don't try to enter any trade that you see on the chart. If it doesn't tell you, okay, here you have an advantage, here you have an edge, because The stop loss will be very small. The profit target is very big. It looks very good. So I'm gonna take a trade. Then you take a trade. If you see, oh, maybe it will work out, but maybe not, then stay away. Wait for the next setup. Alright, thanks everyone for watching. If you like the video, make sure to be subscribed to the channel, turn on notifications to not miss out on any upcoming video. Leave a like and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.